Civil paragraph 100 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Miyan Chano. Stenographers Academy, Miyan Chano. Ready? Start. The contentions of the learned counsel for the respondent are without any substance that the appellate court was competent to dismiss the suit on merits as well as on account of the suit being defectively formulated and to simultaneously allow the plaintiff to file a fresh suit on the same cause of action. Full stop. It is not evident from the impugned judgment as to how and for what reasons the suit was not capable to adjudication semicolon in case the suit was hit under any of the paragraphs of rule 11 order 7 the plaint in such a case could be rejected, which precludes the court to decide such a suit on merits semicolon the powers under order 23 rule 2 CPC cannot be exercised so moto by a court to permit plaintiff to file a fresh suit unless the plaintiff satisfies the court that the suit must fail by reason of some formal defect to be disclosed or that there are sufficient reasons for allowing the plaintiff to institute a fresh suit for the subject matter of the suit or to a part of claim, the court may on such terms as it thinks fit grant permission to the plaintiff to withdraw from such suit or abandon such part of a claim, with liberty to institute fresh suit in respect of the subject matter of such suit or such part of a claim. Full stop. New para. The permission to file fresh suit so moto by the court for the subject matter of an earlier suit cannot be granted unless within the scope of order 23 rule 2 CPC the prerequisites for such permission are existing. Full stop. The plaintiff before the appellate court Majlis-e Shura never applied for the withdrawal of the suit with permission to file a fresh suit, therefore, the exercise of such powers by the court on its own was at all not permissible, being in violation of Rule 2 of Order 23 CPC, and as such exercise of the powers by the appellate court were not available to the court in the circumstances of the case. Full stop. New para. Notwithstanding the permission granted to the plaintiff for filing fresh suit, the judgment and decree has been passed on twofold conflicting grounds. The suit is not capable of adjudication as well as it failed on merits. Full stop. The petitioner has challenged only a part of the appellate judgment whereby permission was accorded to the plaintiff for filing fresh suit, but the judgment and decree itself is not sustainable on account of mutually destructive grounds. Full stop. The case law cited by the respondent counsel are of no avail to the facts and circumstances of the instant matter. Full stop.